Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set training reminders on the Dogo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down till you find the training reminders section and tap on this button, then click on the settings button. Now you will be directed to your phone's settings, and here you need to allow Dogo to access your notifications or access notifications. Tap on this button and then click on allow notifications. Then if you go back to the previous page, you are able to turn on this button, and as you can see, you can also set the exact time when you would like to get notified. Tap on the reminder time if you want to change this. As you can see, you can set the time by tapping on it, and now you are ready to type in the exact time. And you can also set which days you want to be notified, so just simply tap on the relevant one in order to put a check mark into these circles. Then if you are done with these steps, all you have to do is clicking on the set reminder button down below, thereby updating this function and turning on the reminders. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.